Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. There's those moments when you have a couple friends over. You have a bottle of wine, maybe two. And on some of those occasions, you don't drink all the wine, and you're left with a little bit less than a bottle. And one of the biggest problems with wine is, once it's open, you need to drink it fast. You only have a couple days before it turns to vinegar. So beyond drinking it or cooking with it, what can you do? Syrup. We're gonna make a red wine syrup for cocktails and desserts. And for this recipe, you're only gonna need 2 ingredients. 1 unfinished bottle of wine and some white sugar. That's it. Let's get started. My sauce pot here on top of my induction burner. I'm gonna add our wine. I'm gonna be using some white sugar today. If you wanna use brown sugar or raw sugar, go right ahead. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you and your flavor profile. Add in our sugar. And turn this up to 250. Give it a nice boil. This is gonna be in equal parts 1-to-1 syrup. So 1 part sugar, 1 part wine. Don't worry about being exact, just eyeball it. But let's say you have 2 cups of wine. You wanna use 2 cups of sugar. The wine I had left over was about 2.5 to 3 cups. So I'm gonna add that much sugar into our syrup. Just gonna bring it up to a boil. Stir it a little bit, just to make sure there's no clumps on the bottom, because those will burn very easily. Now we're gonna let this boil for 5 minutes and then turn it off. And there we are, 5 minutes later. This beautiful, rich red wine syrup. Once it cools, it's gonna have a nice, thick consistency. This is a perfect little add-on for desserts and cocktails. Let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's amazing. The wine I had left over was a red blend. It was a little fruit forward, a little dry on the palate, but perfect for something like this. But you can use any red wine you want, or a white wine. If you make this, comment down below and tell me what you used it on. If you want to check out some of my cocktail videos, click up there for Thirsty Thursdays. And if you want to check out some of my side dishes, click right there for Sunday side dishes. Until next time, I'm Ron, the Cook.